Okay, so there's a tool called Vidiq which has access to more than 1 billion YouTube videos. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Vidiq and Claude to improve your YouTube channel using these billions and billions of statistics. So right now we have three plans. The first one is free, the second one has $19, the third one is $49, which is like the pro plan. And we will not be paying $49. I will show you how you can get the max plan for just $1. So make sure to watch the video till end. So if you don't know how Vidiq works, so basically it has studied millions and millions of YouTube channels. It has studied more than a billion videos from which it has a very good understanding of how YouTube actually works. So in front of me, as you can see, these are the videos uploaded on my YouTube channel, and it also scores your title, it scores your thumbnail. So if I click on my video, the score of my title is 76. The score of my thumbnail is 93. It can also like generate thumbnails for you. So once you're inside your Vidiq, just go to your profile, go to account settings, and then click on this MCP. So because now it has an API key, which is like a big thing, we can connect our Vidiq with our Claude. So right now in front of me, as you can see, that this is the place from where we can create the API key. We will not be using API key. We will be using the MCP, which it will automatically configure. So just copy this URL and let's go to our Claude. So this is my Claude. Just click on this plus icon and then click on manage connectors right here. So let's add a connector, browse connector. Let's click Vidiq. So as you can see, we don't have a connector built in inside Claude, so we'll have to add it manually. So just click on this add connector icon and then add a custom connector. So let's rename this to Vidiq and then let's paste our MCP, which is like this is the link of our MCP. Click on it, paste this, and click on this add button. So as you can see now, we have to connect our Vidiq. So just click on this connect button and just authorize your account. So click on authorize, open in Claude. So now your Vidiq is officially connected to Claude. So let's go back to our Vidiq and see what we can do using our Vidiq MCP. So these are actually some of the prompts that Vidiq has put on their website. You can ask your AI, what are the fastest growing channels in my niche? Let's copy this. Let's go back to our Claude. Let's create a new chat and let's paste this prompt. So first we'll also have to like check if the connector is working. Let's click on this plus icon. Let's go to connectors. And we have Vidiq toggled on. So as you can see that we have one Vidiq which is toggled on, then we have add from Vidiq. So you can also like select these terms, content, gap analysis, competitor breakdown, my channel health check. So you know what, let's click on my channel health check and we have a file which is already built from Vidiq. So this is a very detailed prompt. Let's just use this file and let's go with Opus 4.7 and click enter. So now it will go inside your Vidiq and browse your YouTube channel, the statistics from Vidiq. So it's now asking me that Claude wants to use users channels from Vidiq. Let's click on allow and it might take permission from you 1 or 2 times. Claude wants to use your channel videos from Vidiq. Go ahead. Claude wants to use video stats history from Vidiq. Let's allow. So as you can see that we have a very detailed report of our channel. So it says that we've got like this many subscribers, which is 100% more than the previous 30 days. We have 108% more views than the previous month. Then we have 17 published videos in the last 30 days, which is a good sign. Channel age is 14 months. Okay, so doubling subscriber and views in a month. Okay, so as you can see, we have a very detailed analysis of our video. Channel average per video is like 10,000 divided by these the number of videos, and we have like a detailed output for each video, like how many views are your videos getting on a daily basis, on an hourly basis. I've actually more than doubled the average of my YouTube channel using Vidiq. Trust me, I've used Vidiq and it is like the best tool you can use to grow your YouTube channel. So we have like tutorial videos, niche benchmark, how you compare. So there's this guy who has like 402 subscribers, 30 days sub growth. He has been like making more than 1,000% growth in the last 30 days. So we have this guy, we have this guy, like we have statistics of their subscribers, of their growth. So I have like made more than 100% progress in the last 30 days. So that's actually a good sign. And you can also see the niche they're working on. So this guy is working on vibe coding. This is chatbot. This guy is working on agent builder. Then your 100% sub growth puts you in the top quartile of breakout channels in your niche. Only a handful of people are growing faster. So that means that's a good sign, right? I'm growing faster and I'm like in the top list as said by Claude. Extreme outliers with one viral video pulling the whole curve. So we need to study this guy, we need to study this guy. Like after this video, I will study this report more in depth. So what's actually working and what's not working? So things that are working are upload velocity, which should be 4 times per week, clearly correlates with sub spikes. This is a course that I put, skips computer science degree and become a web coder in the next 2 hours. If you haven't watched that, make sure to watch that video and you will be a web developer and AI web developer in the next 2 hours. Okay, so I want a visual graph of my YouTube channel. So I'll just say make a visual graph of my YouTube channel statistics. So let's hit enter and it will create a graph which you can visually watch and have an idea of how your YouTube channel is performing right now. Okay, so it's like pulling data from vidIQ and creating this graph, beautiful graph. Okay, so there's actually one thing you need to keep in mind. If you go to your MCP, if you go to your settings and then MCP and scroll down, it will be using your credit. So right now I had like 7,100 credit. In the max plan it gives you 6,000 credits, but if you log in on a daily basis you will get 100 credits per day. So right now my channel is like using the API keys, or we can also call it the MCP, and each has like different cost. So it cost me like 5 credit for this, 5 credit for this, 0 credit for this. Like it's not a lot of credits, but this is something you need to like keep in mind, that your credits are being consumed. Okay, so as you can see that we have a very engaging graph built for our YouTube channel. Like if I scroll on this graph, we can see like our subscriber count with the dates. Let me scroll down and see our videos that are performing. So this is the video that was live for 19 days and it has like, it is the best performing video. Then we have this video, then this video, then this video, then this video. So we have a beautiful graph that we can see and like have an idea of what we should be doing, what we should be improving. So I will now ask it to, okay, so I told you that I want you to write me video topics for the next one week which resonates with my niche. Let's say make a graph to make it like more engaging. So Claude alone cannot do these things that we did right now. Okay, Claude alone cannot pull this data that we have right now. vidIQ right now has like billions and billions of videos data from which it has learned. It has like analyzed millions or billions of thumbnails on YouTube. So that's why it's the best tool to grow your YouTube channel. So right now it's asking me how many videos do you want for the next week. Let's do 4. What angle should I prioritize? So it's actually talking about the things that I already have in my channel. So what angle should I prioritize? Skip the hard part tutorials, free tutorials, build and sell agency plays. Yeah, let's do this one. Let's do free as well. Okay. Learn towards shorter or longer videos. Let's go with, okay, so as you can see it has given me very specific titles which I'm already using and which are performing good on my YouTube channel. So skip $2,000 SEO course, rank #1 with Claude in the next 30 days. So using the analytics from vidIQ, which I told you again and again has billions and billions of statistics, and Claude as our brain, it has made me this title which I can use without altering it. So the angle is skip the hard part, which I told it, walk through Claude, doing keyword research, on-page optimization and schema markup. So I might be making a video on this because like this is a very engaging title. Then we have Wednesday, May 14. Google just dropped video 3 for free. Most people missed it. Free tool, news hook, like the old video which was Gemini Pro had already performed in the last 3 days. Show how to access it through AI Studio. Okay, looks cool to me. Then we have skip Figma, design a full mobile app with Claude in 15 minutes. I found 7 free Claude skills that replaces $500 a month tools. So everything that it wrote is actually what I am making content on, is actually my niche. So we have a beautiful graph here. Skip $2,000 SEO course. Let's hover over it. Hook strength, audience breadth. Then we have search potential 9 out of 10. Okay. Then we have view 3. Okay, beautiful graph. Now says that this is the top topic. Quick read on the scores. Hook strength. There is actually one more thing that you can do. You can ask Claude to write you video scripts. So let me show you how I do it for myself and how you can do it as well. So the first step was already like you have to connect your vidIQ with your Claude. That's done. Now the second step is ask it that what are the high performing titles that can work on my YouTube channel right now. I want you to go inside the vidIQ and bring me some topics that I can create a video on and that can perform well on my YouTube channel. Let's now hit enter and it will now go inside our vidIQ and search for keywords that are performing well, because on my channel I mostly cover tools that are no code, low code, which can easily be done without coding. So it's researching. Okay, so as you can see, it has brought me some titles which are well performing. So it says that this title, a video was made by this channel which had 12,000 subscribers, just hit 340,000 views in days with the exact angle. So you can make a video on this. You can also like make a video on the feature nobody is using right now, which pulls 1.29 million monthly searches. Okay, and only 44.9 competition. So like this is a very in-depth research that it did for your channel, right? Then we have this title, then this title, then this title. Okay, so once you've picked a title, just say that I want you to write me a short script for this video. So let me show you how I do it for myself. Okay, let's use this title number 9. Okay, so I said I want you to write me a YouTube short script for the title number 9. I like this title. Let's hit enter. So now it will ask you some questions. What's the angle you want? Result first, so the leads I got, how it works. Yeah, I think I'll go with the first one. Length, target, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, educational. Okay, so we actually have the title, which is I built a code outreach system with Apify and Apollo. And then we have the script. So if you read the script, it will be professionally written. It's not like an average script, okay? Because vidIQ knows how hooks work, how you should first show the problem, then give a solution of it. If I read the script in front of you, it will like say the system pulled 47 qualified leads into my inbox. This is a hook. If I make a video on this, the retention will be extremely high because I'm like playing with the dream outcome of people. This system pulled 47 qualified leads into my inbox last week. I didn't send a single message manually. Okay, sounds cool. Like you will have to like tweak it a little bit. 3 tools doing the work. Apify scrapes prospects from LinkedIn. Apollo enriches them with verified emails, instantly sends the sequence. So the script will be well formatted and well written. You don't have to like do a lot of changes inside it. Okay, so now because we have like done our research and we've also asked it that can you write me a script for this. Now because we will be doing this over and over again, I want you to make a skill of what we just did right now. So I've asked it that whatever we've done right now in this chat, can you make a skill and save it in the skills. Okay, let's hit enter. So it will like automatically do all of the things. Once the skills is done, you will not like have to repeat yourself again and again. Okay, so it will ask you some questions. What should the skills cover? YouTube content research plus scripting, full pipeline. Okay, let's go with the full pipeline. How specific should it be? Personal use only, my Vidiq. Yeah, that's fine. So this is how you can do these things professional. Trust me, you will grow your channel 100 times more, 1,000 times more using this method that I've told you right now. Okay, so right now, as you can see that it has made me a very detailed markdown file, very detailed skill file, which we can use over and over again. And as you can see, we have the name of my channel, we have the niche that we're covering. Like we don't have to repeat ourselves again and again. Okay, it has pulled all of the data, what I'm working on, what is like my niche, the keywords, required filters, all of it. Okay, so this is how you can use it professionally and grow your YouTube channel. So quick test: next time you start a chat, give me your YouTube idea or write a short script for X. I should jump straight in the pipeline. Okay, so just click on save skill and let's click on manage now. So this is your skill which you can call like again and again. And if you want to like make changes to this skill, you can do that as well. Okay, so now I want to call this skill. Let's now create a new chat and let's write slash, and then this is the skill that we want. So let's say write me a viral shorts topic. Let's click enter. So now it has read our skills file and like we don't have to repeat ourselves again and again. So this is the beauty of skills. This is the beauty of vidIQ. Now let me show you how you can get the max plan for just $1. So I don't have any like affiliate with vidIQ, but I can show you a method from which you can get the first month for just $1, and that will be like more than enough for you to have an idea of vidIQ and its connection with Claude. So inside YouTube, if you search for YouTube SEO, you will find the first video which is ranked. This guy called Yuri Van Hofkuen. I don't know how it's spelled. I'm sorry. Let's go to his video. Introducing, and he has already partnered with vidIQ. So there is his link which you can click, and from here you can get the first month for $1. Click on this, sign in with your Google account, and then you can get the max plan for completely not free for $1. Okay, so this is how you can use AI to grow your YouTube channel, and trust me, if you use vidIQ with Claude, you will grow your channel more than 100% in the next 30 days. I have done it. Many people are doing it. So this was it for this video. I hope you learned a lot. I hope you now have an idea of how Claude and vidIQ works together. vidIQ has millions and billions of statistics. Claude can use and analyze and create high quality titles, YouTube scripts, thumbnail ideas for your YouTube channel. If you want to become an AI engineer in the next 30 days, I have already made a complete guide. The first link in description. Make sure to like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next one.